In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see order history on Amazon. Let's get started right on the Amazon homepage. Open your web browser and go to Amazon.com, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account you normally shop with, especially if you have more than one. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the homepage and ready to find your past purchases. Look toward the top right of the page for the Accounts and Lists menu. On a computer, hover your mouse over Accounts and Lists and a large drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where Amazon keeps shortcuts to your account settings, lists, and most importantly for this video, your orders. From that drop-down, select your orders. This opens your order history page. You'll see a list of your recent purchases, each with the order date, items, seller details, and helpful buttons like viewing order details or checking shipment status. Think of this page as your central dashboard for everything you've bought on Amazon. At the top of this page, you'll find filters that make it easy to narrow things down. By default, Amazon usually shows the past 3 months, which is great for recent purchases you might still be waiting on or considering returning. If you need a wider window, switch to this year to see everything you've ordered since January 1st. For older purchases, choose previous years, then pick the exact year you're interested in. This is especially handy for tracking warranties, reordering household staples, or finding a gift you bought last holiday season. There's also an archived orders option. Archived orders are purchases you've intentionally moved out of your main view for privacy or organization, maybe gifts or personal items. Selecting archived orders shows those tucked away purchases in one place. Remember, archiving doesn't delete anything. It simply hides it from your default list, so your main order history stays uncluttered. While you're on the Your Orders page, take advantage of the tools there to move faster. If you remember the product name or a keyword, use the search bar on the Orders page to jump straight to a specific item. You can also open an order's details to see shipment timelines, delivery confirmations, and available support options. If you need records for expenses, look for invoice or receipt options within the order details. And that's all there is to it. By signing in, opening your orders from Accounts and Lists, and using the time filters, past 3 months, this year, previous years, and archived orders, you can quickly